Alrighty, been asked a couple of questions on the trapezoidal rule exercise. So we're starting off with question 4. Portion of land, 6 meters by 4.8 is divided into a lawn and native garden. Find the area of the lawn. So first thing I'm going to do just here, it's not essential, but I'm going to do it. I'm just going to say, hey, the lawn, I'm calling it area 1. Okay. So the area of the lawn, I'm going to call it area 1. So to find area 1, I'm going to have h over 2 df plus, that's terrible, L, dl. So that's my trapezoidal rule. But it says to do it twice. So I've got that one and I've got this one as well. So I've got both of them. So I'm obviously going to have to do this trapezoidal rule twice. So I'm going to have area 1 equals h over 2 outside of df plus dl plus h over 2 df plus dl. Now, obviously, the df and the dl's are different in each one. So let's have a look at the first section. Our h is going to be 3 meters. So our h is 3.0. And then the first of our df's, I might actually just write it up. Oh, no, I'll do it down here. Equals 3.0. Then df equals 4.8 and dl equals 3.8. Now my next one is going to be this bottom one, and there my h is still 3, but my df, and I could use different subscripts. I could use d1 or df1, dl1, df2, dl2, but I just don't want to make it confusing. It gets cumbersome. If you just sort of keep them separate the way I'm doing it, you should be fine. So df for this one is the 3.8 because that's my first. And my dl for the last one is 0 because it comes back to that point there. Okay. So then I'm subbing that in. So I've got 3.0 over 2 outside of 4.8 plus 3.8 plus 3.0 over 2. And then I've got 3.8 plus 0. I will chuck that straight into a calculator. So 4.8 plus, I should just do this on a normal calculator because you can't even see me doing it. So I'm actually going to do it on a normal calculator. I was doing it on my computer. That's me opening my drawers. The trouble is with doing it on the computer is because it's a touch screen, it's actually a bit cumbersome. And then I don't have it on the screen when I'm trying to look at it. But that's just my problem. Okay, so 1.5, well, 3 divided by 2. 4.8 plus 3.8. The backlighting on these is terrible. I'm going to have to fix it. Contrast. Once again, my problem, not yours. Plus 3.8, close brackets, and that will give me idiot. I'm going to do that again because I just cleared my calculator. Well done, me. It's early in the morning. I'm very tired. I'm always very tired. But I didn't take my computer home with me last night. So when I got the question, I'm like, well, got to do it first thing in the morning. So I have just rocked up. It is just after 6 o'clock. So I am doing it straight away so that I can get it up to you guys as soon as possible. Still got the same answer format. That's excellent. Now I can go to 18.6. So I get 18.6 square meters. I'm hoping that's correct. I haven't actually looked at the answers. I might go and have a look at the answers in a couple of seconds. Actually, I'll do it right now because you should just double check. Just make sure that what you're doing is correct. You know what? I can leave that maximized. This is more like a commentary than a video, isn't it? Sorry. But, it is what it is. I am looking for, not physics, standard maths. I can only count to 4. I have clicked. So we are doing perimeter area. We are doing trapezoidal rule. I need to go back to the topic, so I need to go to the answers. Here there are exercise answers. This is 6C. Let's scroll. There's A, there's B. Question C, 4, 18.6, yay for me. Nice to know I'm not completely nuts. So that's question A done. Now, the actual question I got was on question B. So that first bit, hopefully you've all got through and gone, yeah, all right, we're bored now. So question B. This is a question I did have in class as well. It says, what is the area of the native garden? So the native garden bit is just in there. That's all we're looking at. Now, once again, I look at this in terms of maths all the time. If I was asked this question, I do it when I'm building stuff at home as well. It says, what is the area of the native garden? Well, to me, the native garden is the total area minus, the total area minus the lawn area. Okay, so this is the total area there. And I just want the native garden part, so I don't want the lawn. Okay, so mathematically, the way I think about it is I want the native garden is just the total area minus the lawn. Now, we've already worked out the lawn. That was that answer right there. So we also have to work out the total area. So the total area is 4.8 by 6. So the native garden would be 4.8 times 6, because it's just a rectangle, minus the 18.6. That's all there is to it. So now if I chuck that into a calculator, 4.8 times 6 minus 18.6 would give me 10.2 square meters. And I'll just double check. 10.2, yay, got it right. So that's all there is to it. So sometimes it's a bit of how do I have to think about this? And that's all there is to that one. So we did the total area minus the lawn, and the lawn we found using the trapezoidal rule twice. Right. If you were in an exam and you got that number wrong, but down here you used your answer, which was wrong, that means you would get the wrong answer there. However, we would look at part A and go, okay, they made a mistake there, but they've done this part correctly, and therefore we can give them the marks. So don't be stressed about that sort of thing. Anyway,